In this guide, we'll show you how to fix a missing or disappeared taskbar in Windows 11. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. This issue can be really frustrating since it prevents you from accessing your apps. Let's go through how to fix it. First, we need to open Task Manager. There are a couple of ways to do this. You can press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard, and it should open right away. Alternatively, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete, then select Task Manager from the list of options. Once Task Manager is open, use the search bar at the top and type Explorer. Find Windows Explorer in the list, select it, then click Restart Task at the top. Your system will refresh, and the taskbar should reappear. If it still doesn't show up, the next step is to restart your computer. You can press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete, click the power button in the bottom right corner, and select Restart. Another option is to hold down the physical power button on your PC or laptop until it turns off, then turn it back on. That should fix the issue. If you found this helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more guides.